Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix not receiving or fix not being able to receive emails on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically when we are talking about email on the Microsoft apps, we are talking specifically on Outlook. And basically here on this video, we are going to follow this support article or this learning article about how we can troubleshoot this problem. So basically, first of all, if you are using an individual email or mailbox, you will be needing first like to check your capacity or your storage. And after that, you will be able to go to your OneDrive and see if that your storage is full or not. Because like all things concerning your mailbox will be stored on your OneDrive. And from there, you can see your storage and see if it is full. If it is full, try to clean it and see if you can still start like receiving again your mails. Of course, you will be needing also to start checking like your junk mails from here on the junk and see if all your mails are being marked as junk. That's why you do not receive the emails. If that's the case, you can just like mark them as non-spam and it will be working. Also, you can just to try simply to go to testconnectivity.microsoft.com and start using the inbound SMTP emails and see if there is problem within your uh, uh, mailbox or your domain or your enterprise or your mailbox. And if it's the case, you will be able to start like contacting the support and tell them that. Otherwise, if you are using like enterprise email, you will be needing just to simply uh, contact your administrator, and then they will be able to start using some uh, admin tools to start troubleshooting your problem. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.